Today we are demonstrating a PM-120LT, a 120 tons capacity punching machine with a 500 by 1000 millimeter fully automatic CNC table. The machine next to it has the same table but at 80 tons. The CNC table uses a PC-based controller with a large color touchscreen monitor. The table is equipped with 3 hydraulic clamps. The clamp is able to change pitch for different sizes of material, and the last one has a valve to turn it off for smaller material. It also has a hydraulic stripper to hold down material during punching, and there's an interlock at the safety cover, so when the cover is open, the machine stops and there's an error message on the screen. There is also an auto lubrication system that mixes air with lubricants and come out from the stripper at a preset number of punches. On the back side of the machine, there is a cooling system for the hydraulic tank to ensure the hydraulic system stays at an optimal working condition temperature. Inside the electric cabin, everything is very nicely and neatly laid out. So this is the fenders PC, the controller board, the driver for the servo motor, and the cabin is very well ventilated. The hydraulic clamps is able to freely move up and down to absorb any force when the blade has been bended from the punching. Okay, now let's do a test punch. Load the material against the stoppers. And begin. The actual work will be shown at real time, so you know exactly the progress of the program.